Hi, good morning. Assalamualaikum, everyone. How are you? Hope everyone is fine today. With me, Halim Manap from Kota Tinggi, Johor. Okay. The introduction of this video is especially for Just Be Fishy, Sabrina and John, who tagged me on their collaboration program, so-called collaboration program on Your Local Fish Keeper. Okay, so I've decided to do this video in English because I got a lot of inquiries saying that the videos that I made in my YouTube is in Malay. So they asked me to do a subtitle, but I decided to do this video in English. So a little bit of introduction of myself. My name is Halim Manap. I'm from Kota Tinggi, Johor. I've been into aquascaping for almost 3 years now. Okay, it seems like a short time, but 3 years, every single day everything is about aquascaping. Okay, so I've learned a lot from different people from Malaysia, from outside of Malaysia. So and still learning. You know, sometimes when you learn something and you know something, then out of sudden you become, you know, stuck, and you know that you need to learn, you need to relearn something, or you need to go back to basic about aquascaping and learn back. Okay, throw out everything that you know and learn new things. Okay, sometimes old things can become new things. Okay, so today we're gonna do a quick scape, okay, on a 45 centimeter tank. Okay, budgeted around 1,000 ringgit. Okay, so we have here a 45 centimeter tank. We call it crystal clear tank. Okay, and then I've got some Seiryu stone, and then filtration. I'm using Fluval C2 hang-on back filtration. Okay, I'm very particular about filtration because I want the water to be, you know, the best condition. Okay, so and I want the filter to last for years. So Fluval hang-on back filter is a bit pricey, but it does the job well and it lasts long. Okay, and then I'm using Aquanice LED. Okay, is a medium to low tech light. Okay, and then I've got water spray to moist the soil. I've got some gravel, medium size. I got big size gravel, medium size, and I got sand, white sand. I got some driftwood. Okay, tissue paper to clean. Okay, and I'm using Fluval Stratum soil. Okay, and then I've got a bacter starter from Aquascape MALAYA. Of course, this is to kickstart the nitrifying bacteria right from the beginning of our setup. Okay, so that the nitrogen cycle, speed up the nitrogen cycle. Okay, so I got this bacter starter from Aquascape MALAYA. It's only, you know, three bottle is only for 60 ringgit. Okay, and yeah, of course I need coffee. Okay, so let's start. Okay, let's start. And just a tips for a beginner: when you do scaping for, you know, for your home, just for you to enjoy scape, you don't need to do a very complicated, you know, hardscape. Okay, you are not going for competition. Unless you're going for competition, yes, then you can, you know, create a bit complicated hardscape. Yeah. So for a normal, you know, aquascape, hardscape that you can enjoy, you can just do. You don't need any, you know, rocks or wood. You can just plant. That's it. Okay, so and today we are going to do a triangular composition. It's quite easy. Okay, triangular composition. Okay, from here Okay, and then I leave a lot of space so that I can put fish. Okay, so there's a lot of open space for them to swim around. Okay, so we're going to do a triangular composition. Okay, combination of rocks and also some driftwood. Okay, first you add in soil. Okay, for example, for this size of tank, you don't need to do any base layer of substrate. You can just straight away use an aqua soil. The aqua soil itself is porous structure, so it's good enough for the nitrifying bacteria to colonize. Okay. So now it's planting time. I've got some plants here. From Aquascape Malaya, I got Staurogyne repens, some cryptocoryne, and then Hydrocotyle SP Australian. Okay, so we're gonna start planting. This is the best part. Okay, this is my favorite part, planting. completed our setup, a simple setup, which is I'm not going to use any CO2 injection, but what I'm gonna use is I'm gonna add in this anti-lapse liquid CO2 boost. Okay, this is not a liquid CO2, it's not a liquid carbon dioxide, but it's a liquid carbon. Okay, so it's like similar to Seachem Excel and Aquaforest carbon boost. So I'm using this, and I will update you guys within a week time. Okay, so this tank is a low maintenance tank. Okay, low maintenance tank, 45 centimeter. I'm using Aquanice LED. Okay, and all of the plants are from Aquascape MALAYA. Filtration from Aquascape MALAYA. CC crystal clear tank from Aquascape MALAYA. Okay, all the hardscape is from Aquascape MALAYA. So it's gonna be, like I said, it's gonna be a low maintenance tank. So it's perfect for those who are, not having a lot of time to maintain a tank. Okay, this is perfect. This kind of scape is perfect. It's a triangular composition using most of the plants are low to medium demand. Okay, so yeah, I will update you guys within a week. Okay, like I said before, when we do our scape, when we do aquascape, it's not necessarily that we need to do a complicated hardscape. Okay, we are not going for competition. Unless you are going for a contest aquascaping, then you need to do a lot more detailed and complex hardscape. Okay, so if just for you to enjoy a planted tank at home, just to relax, this kind of layout is good enough. Alright, it's like a river stream nature style aquascape. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel HM Aquario. Okay, and follow our Facebook HM Aquascape MALAYA Pro Shop. Okay, thank you so much. See you guys in the next video.